So when you are turning out, be careful. Some of these guys, they don't signal until the very last minute to turn into this road. So make sure you're looking carefully. Make sure when you get a gap, you take it. But also look at the crossing changing. See, look at him, he's braking, he's just gone through a red light. And that's because they drive too fast. That's it. Now slow yourself down and make sure we land in lane 1. And that's what I mean, people come out so fast, they don't see the traffic light. That young lady went through a red light. Now if there was anyone crossing the road, it would have been a different story. And then she'd blame everyone but herself. If you can now find a safe place to pull up on the left behind that car, anywhere on the left here. Make sure you leave one space between you and that car. Stop here, where you are now. That's lovely. Now secure your car. Now, the reason why I've asked you to stop here and I've told you to leave one car space between you and that car, that's exactly what they'll do. Okay. They'll always ask you to stop, and either they'll ask you to stop within one car space or leave one car space. The reason why we'll leave a one car space so we can get out easy. Rather than getting stuck and then having a problem. Move off when you're ready, please. And if you leave yourself enough room like you did now, there's no reason why you're going over the line. So that was good. That was nice driving. And what's the next instruction on the sat-nav?
After 200 yards, turn left, then ahead. Keep left.
So when it tells you to keep left, it means there's a road on the left that you'll be taking very soon.
Turn left, then ahead. Keep left.
So that means the next instruction that it'll give you shortly will relate to a road on your left. Yeah, so it tells you to keep left for that particular reason.
Ahead. Keep left.
Can you hear my wipers like squeaking? Yep. It means my wiper blades need cleaning. That's all. And it's in particular, it's that small one. So what it means is when I wash my car, I usually clean my windscreen wiper blades. That one I haven't done. Well, I want the others on holiday.
400 yards, keep left.
So what it means is when I wash my car, I lift my wiper blade up, just clean it with a sponge. And then it doesn't make that noise. But once they've been used a few days, they'll be fine.
Keep left.
So right now with my forward planning, I am looking at the last green light on this road. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Right at the top, after all them red lights. My brain is processing there while I'm looking here. And that's how you forward plan. So I look to the end of my road at all times when I'm driving, but I concentrate on what's going on around at the bottom where I am. But I also see what's going on there. So they're not going to tell you off about your speed, but keep your speed above 30, okay? It's safe, it's good to do. When I say safe, I mean the conditions allow you to go above 30. Now subconsciously, I know they've been on green a long time. What's the next instruction on the sat nav?
Is it the second exit on the roundabout?
Cross gates, remember? So this is another one going in the same area. So it's going towards cross gates. This time, drive normally. I'm going to help you. I'm going to tell you when you need to do it, okay? So follow the road ahead, pick up some speed. This is too slow. When it's safe, do a lane change. Go faster. When you're ready, make a lane change into the lane on the right. Blind spot check. Quick look over your right shoulder. Go a lot faster. Try and keep your speed healthy. Less than 30 is wrong if conditions allow you to go faster.
After 400 yards, go right on the roundabout, third exit.
Now, you know where this petrol station is here? This is the last place where you'd have to do your lane change. After this, it'll be too late. Okay? Go a lot faster. And now, once you go over these lights, signal right to do a lane change. Can you remember in your last lesson there was
Go
that car
right
that
on
broke
the
down?
roundabout,
There
third
won't be one
exit.
today, hopefully. Now we can see cars are going round the roundabout, so we can see that lane is open. Now we're in lane 2, so stay in this lane as you go around. You've wandered across your lane, okay? So we're going to go ahead now, but stay in lane 2 because you've drifted across into lane 2. Should have been behind a bus. It's no big deal. It's no problem at all. But make sure you remain in your lane and you don't wander across your fair lead test. It's like there, you've just wandered across lanes and no blind spot check, nothing. You had to go into lane 1 to go down the vehicle, but you did no blind spot check. They will have you on that, okay? Pick up speed, do a lane change. Cancel your signal. Speed limit's 40, let's go faster. Try and keep your speed relative to where you are reasonable. We need to now move back into the lane on the left. You do know you're going over the same one that you went over
After
previously.
300 yards,
You are.
go right on the roundabout, third exit.
You are. So now we need to make sure that we're signalling right. We're going to do the same as what we did in our last lesson.
Go right on the roundabout, third exit. Take the exit, then turn left.
She's gone over 2 lanes again.
Turn left, then turn right.
It's the same as what we did previously, yeah? So turning left and immediate right. Just before the Virgin Money Bank. So we're following that black car.
Turn right, then at the end of the road, turn right.